Hello friends, these are the mustard leaves. I have grown them in a coconut shell. Today I'm going to harvest them and I'm going to show you how to make a dal with it. After cutting them, we need to wash it and chop and keep it in a plate. In a kadai, add oil, and once the oil is heated, add the mustard seeds and then the cumin seeds, and then add little LG powder or hing or asafoetida, and then a whole red chili split, and then add the curry leaf, onions, green chilies. I have added garlic also, and I have sorted all these, and now I'm adding 2 to 3 tomatoes puree into it, and now I'm adding the chopped mustard leaves into it. This dal tastes so good with rice and rasam, and you have to have a fried item like raw banana fry. Now add the turmeric, and then this really tastes good. Everybody should try this dish. Now goes the red chili powder into it, and then later I'm going to add the rock salt. Rock salt gives good taste. Now add little tamarind juice into it. After adding the tamarind, that should boil nicely, and then we need to add the mashed tur dal into it and stir it well. After 5 to 10 minutes, add coriander and remove the dal into a serving bowl. Now the yummy mustard dal is ready to be served. Thank you.